Are you craving a delicious, restaurant-style vegetarian fried rice that's quick, easy, and packed with flavor? This recipe is the perfect balance of tender veggies, fluffy eggs, and fragrant sesame oil, all coming together in just minutes. Let's get started. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons neutral oil, 1/2 cup carrot, 1/2 cup yellow onion, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1/2 cup bell pepper, 1/2 cup broccoli florets, 3 large eggs, 1/2 cup peas, 1/3 cup corn, 3 cups cooked white rice, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, freshly ground black pepper to taste. Heat a wok or deep skillet over high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add the diced carrot, yellow onion, and minced garlic. Stir fry for about 2 minutes until the onion turns translucent and fragrant. Toss in the diced bell peppers and broccoli florets. Continue cooking for 3 to 4 minutes until the vegetables are slightly tender but still vibrant and crisp. Push the vegetables to the sides of the pan, creating space in the center. Pour in the beaten eggs and let them cook undisturbed for a few seconds. Stir and scramble until just set, then mix with the vegetables. Stir in the peas, corn, and cooked white rice. Drizzle the soy sauce and sesame oil evenly over the mixture. Season with freshly ground black pepper. Stir-fry everything together, ensuring the rice is well coated with the sauce. Let it cook undisturbed for a minute to develop a slightly crispy texture. Give it one final mix and remove from heat. And just like that, your irresistible vegetarian fried rice is ready. Perfectly seasoned, packed with colorful veggies, and loaded with incredible flavors. If you love quick and tasty meals like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing recipes, and let me know in the comments what dish you'd love to see next.